Let's use science to imagine for a moment. What if, high above a gas giant's swirling clouds, something evolved, not from cells, but from radiation, plasma, and magnetic storms? This is Specimen Unknown, where we blend real science with just enough imagination to ask, what else could be out there? Today, we enter the Magnetosphere of Jupiter, a realm of invisible violence, and meet a creature that may already be watching us. Jupiter isn't just a planet, it's a physics experiment. Its magnetic field is 14 times stronger than Earth's, creating a massive envelope of electrified particles, auroras, and radio storms. At the poles, auroras larger than Earth dance in ultraviolet arcs. Its moon Io, riddled with volcanoes, blasts plasma into space, fueling an electric circuit between planet and satellite. It's here, in this electromagnetic ocean, that something might emerge. Not life as we know it, but something that rides the current. Introducing the Aethermire Warden. It's not made of flesh. It's a web of plasma threads, anchored by a bioluminescent core, a translucent giant drifting in and out of visibility, its tendrils shimmering like auroras across the storm clouds. It moves not by muscle, but by shaping magnetic fields around its body, like a stingray riding invisible tides. If this sounds like science fiction, consider what already exists. Electric eels generate voltage to hunt and communicate. Sharks and platypuses sense tiny electrical fields to find prey. Comb jellies move and hunt with complex nerve nets, without brains. Even human neurons communicate using electrochemical impulses. Now imagine life where neurons are replaced by oscillating fields and muscles by magnetic flux loops. On Jupiter, there's energy, structure, and feedback, all the raw ingredients for emergence. The idea of the Warden noticing us is, of course, entirely speculative. Still, it's worth noting, several spacecraft, Pioneer, Voyager, Galileo, and Juno, have passed through Jupiter's magnetosphere. Some experienced data loss, some had instrument failures, a few recorded unexplained radio pulses, brief, repeating patterns that faded into background noise. These anomalies could have many causes: radiation interference, hardware degradation, or signal reflection. But it's fun to imagine, if the Warden were real, could it be reacting, communicating, defending its space? The Aethermire Warden isn't just imagined as intelligent, it's modelled on real-world systems that exhibit complex, adaptive behaviour. Let's rate the Aethermire Warden using the Speculative Lifeform Index. Some plasma structures, like those in fusion reactors, can self-stabilise and even remember patterns through electromagnetic feedback. A lifeform using those fields wouldn't need a brain. It could think in waveforms, an analog intelligence made of storms. Jupiter's radiation belts are no place for us, but for something adapted to chaos, it might be the chaos. Plausibility. While plasma-based life sounds unlikely, so did extremophiles, deep-sea vents, and tardigrades, until we found them. We think of life as carbon, as cells, as breath and blood, but high above Jupiter's clouds, within its vast magnetic field, something could exist that doesn't follow our rules. If there are strange creatures on Earth, in darkness, in pressure, in heat, then what other forms of life might the universe be hiding? You've just explored another world with Specimen Unknown. If you enjoyed this dive into speculative science, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. There's more life out there than we can imagine. Until next time, keep wondering